Surf Excel is a brand of laundry detergent and does not produce washcloths. However, if you are looking for high-quality washcloths to use for laundry and general cleaning, microfiber is an excellent option. Professional cleaners prefer microfiber cloths because they are highly absorbent, lint-free, and effective at picking up dirt and debris. High-quality microfiber washcloths. Here are some of the best quality microfiber cloths available for laundry and household cleaning. This multipurpose microfiber cloth comes in various sizes and GSM, grams per square meter, with options like the 340 GSM version, ideal for absorbent cleaning. They are designed to be thick, lint-free, and streak-free. This premium microfiber cleaning cloth is crafted for high absorbency and durability. Options include 250 GSM and larger 40 by 40 cm sizes, available in multipacks. Amazon brand Presto microfiber cleaning cloth. This affordable and highly rated option offers a great combination of absorbency and reusability, with multipacks in various colors. According to Amazon.in, it has an ultra-soft and super absorbent design. Known for its non-scratching technology, this microfiber cloth from a reliable brand is suitable for a wide range of surfaces, including for delicate items. It offers good absorbency at 200 GSM. Considerations when choosing washcloths. When selecting the best washcloths for your needs, keep these points in mind. Material: microfiber, picks up dirt and absorbs spills without spreading them around. Look for a higher GSM for a thicker, more absorbent cloth. Cotton, highly absorbent and washes out easily, making it great for wiping up spills. However, it can leave behind lint. Blends, polyester. While durable, polyester blends can hold on to stains more than other materials. GSM, grams per square meter. A higher GSM number typically indicates a thicker, softer, and more absorbent cloth. For tough cleaning, a higher GSM is preferable, while a lower GSM might be fine for lighter tasks. Use case: for scrubbing, microfiber weaves, especially those with a terry texture, are excellent for collecting dirt. For delicate surfaces or polishing, a plush microfiber cloth is best for surfaces that could be scratched, as it has a higher pile. For drying or streak-free cleaning, waffle weave microfiber cloths offer superior absorbency for glass and other smooth surfaces. When choosing laundry detergent, factors like stain removal power, fabric care, and the type of washing machine are important. While Surf Excel is known for its strong cleaning performance, especially on tough stains, other brands offer high-quality alternatives, some with a focus on specific needs like eco-friendliness, fabric softness, or value. High-quality alternatives to Surf Excel. These brands are known for their effective cleaning and are often compared favorably to Surf Excel for their performance on tough stains and fabric care. A premium tier detergent that many users find comparable to or even better than Surf Excel, especially for removing a wide variety of stains in a single wash. The Ariel Matic Machine Expert Detergent Powder is designed to remove tough stains like tea, coffee, and turmeric, and is available for both top-load and front-load washing machines. Often cited as a very effective stain remover, especially for common tough stains like oil and turmeric. Some users find it to be a more cost-effective option than Ariel, while still delivering strong cleaning performance. Tide Plus Extra Power Detergent is known for its ability to tackle deep-seated stains. Options for specific fabric care: if you want to avoid potential color fading or damage from very powerful detergents, these alternatives offer a high-quality wash with a gentler formula. Godrej Easy. This liquid detergent is formulated to be gentle on clothes, making it a good choice for woolens, delicates, and winter wear. It includes a fabric conditioner to keep clothes soft and has a neutral pH formula. Hinkomatic, considered a gentle option that is also very effective at removing stains. It is known for its color protection technology, which helps keep colored clothes looking bright. Eco-friendly and natural alternatives for those who prioritize natural ingredients and are conscious of their environmental impact. These detergents offer effective cleaning with plant-based formulations, made with 100% herbal actives like soap nuts and essential oils. This plant-based formula is non-toxic and gentle on skin, clothes, and the environment. A plant-based formula that is eco-friendly, non-toxic, and free from harmful chemicals. It uses biodegradable surfactants and organic enzymes to remove stains. The right detergent for your washing machine proves immensely helpful not only for removing stains, but also for enhancing the durability of your washing machine. Detergents in liquid and powder form are the most popular options. Though expensive, pods are also gaining popularity in India. To find the best detergent for washing machines, we have tried none of the top-selling detergents in India. We have checked how well it removes stains, how much it lathers, how well it dissolves in water, and whether it leaves fragrance on clothes. As stain patches are not readily available in India, we made a patch and created stains of mud, turmeric, grass, ink, grease and coffee. None of the options proved to be good enough for grass stains.